Sailing Mexico, The Adventure Travelers, Episode 3, Bahia Santa Maria to Mag Bay. There's no doubt that sailing down this portion of Mexico's coast really tested our skills, that is for sure. I think Michael and I were really getting our skills dialed in too, and our equipment, and just really how our boat just performs on the water. In episode 2, we left you with a cliffhanger. Michael dropped his cell phone down the hull of the boat. Hey, but that's just one challenge. Look at all these cargo tankers all around us. One thing about blue water sailing is it's up and down. Here's an up.
Down 1,000 yards. A whale is fluking. Beware.
Roger that.
Look at him. Smacking that. Now look out in front, because he might be warning others that we're coming.
God, that's so... I've never seen that.
Yeah.
Wow.
Where's your camera?
I'm taking a video right now. Wow. Is that what that usually means?
Yeah.
Part of living on a boat is maintenance. Michael is going to go down below in the water and change the zinc.
Bahia Santa Maria.
There's the zinc, that metal piece in the middle. After Michael looks at the zinc and makes sure everything's fitted on, he checks the bottom of the boat. It looks good, nice and clean. We almost always took deck showers, and once in a while we'd get a free one if a squall came by.
So here we are. Where are we at, guys?
I don't know. That's good. We don't know what day it is or what time it is.
Santa Maria. Santa Maria. Bahia Santa Maria.
These are our buddy boaters, Pat and Alaina, and now they are lifelong friends. We decided to get in the dinghy and go explore. This was a really fun day.
As Brady mentioned, this is Bahia Santa Maria, and we're gonna go for a little walkabout on the land, and I don't know, it's just pretty darn cool. I don't know. I feel like I'm finally on sabbatical and digging it. There's our boats in the background right there. And that's wonderful.
We aren't blurring out poor Pat's face. That's water on the lens. You know, when you live on water, there's going to be water everywhere. Here the estuary was absolutely so beautiful. It's a little murky underneath, but look at the color of this water.
I'm making stir-fried chicken, teriyaki chicken. We got broccoli, we got onions and peppers, and then I'm going to add some peanuts in there. We got some...
It's a little food in it.
And then we got some rice.
Nice. And
This is something I hadn't seen before. The sea lions are warming up their fins. So when you aren't going to luxury resorts, you stumble on a lot of cool things. Like a coyote licking his chops, waiting for you to come in. Just imagine you're on the boat with Michael and I right now. You're really not thinking about anything else. You're just enjoying it. You're being mindful. You're in the present moment.
Pretty cool.
If you haven't noticed, Michael and I have a tradition of riding where we are in the sand. There's Pat. He's rowing back to his boat, the Swift Ranger. Michael and I decided that our clothes were taking over, so we bagged them all up and we put them down below and waited for Tahiti. So we needed to go into town to provision, so we hired a driver and we went grocery shopping. Here, food is amazing. It's plentiful, fresh stuff everywhere. Check out this little chihuahua on the top of this roof. We got such a good laugh out of this. We couldn't imagine this trip without Pat and Alaina. Our friendship is bonded forever. So we're going to start our new part of the journey tomorrow and pull anchor.
Turn out the lights, open your mind.
The music on this video can be found at ccmixter.org.
A different sky.
Thank you for going on this journey with us. This is episode 3, and we have so much more to go. Hang in there with us, and you will love it.
There is some massive waves in this bay.
Go forward, look at that.
Ain't no... What the...
The episodes ahead are gonna get real, so stay with us,
Ain't
everyone.
in no bay. We're in Hawaii. On the North Shore, man.
Hey, Brian, what you do? Stay up my rock.
See ya.
Wouldn't want to be us.
Oh yeah, we would.
Oh, I guess we are.
Please like, share, or subscribe to The Adventure Travelers.